Yes.
We have already finished question number
Yes,
second
sir.
and third, and we are supposed to go to the question number fourth today. That is here.
Yes, sir.
Let me increase the size a little. See what is there in the question number fourth. What is to be done? We will have to listen to the recording 3.2 and notice the difference between have to and have in these sentences. So I hope you must have heard, you must have listened to the recording 3.2, right? Now
Yes, sir.
let me explain the difference between have to and have. When you have something, means you have the possession of that. Like you have a good knowledge of English, you have a lot of degrees, some of you have some employment, okay? You have a family, you have a house, some of you have a car also, okay? So when you have something, then you possess it, and you don't have something, then you don't possess it, you don't have that thing. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And have to do something means it is necessary for you to do. So I hope you got the difference between have and have to. After have,
Yes, sir.
we generally use a noun or a noun equivalent, but after have to we always use first form of the verb. Like I have to go, you have to come, you have to learn English, I have to teach English. People have to be silent when the class is going on. Okay. Uh, and you have money, I have knowledge. Okay. You don't have free time, I have some free time for my students. I hope it is clear the
Yes,
difference.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now moving to the fourth B. What is that? It is clearly written, listen to the recording 3.3 and put these verbs or phrases in the order you'll hear them. Okay. So have you heard or have you listened to 3.3 recording?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which should be put first?
Don't have to.
Don't have to.
Okay, very good. That first is given, correct. And the second one
Has
Has
to.
to.
Has to.
has to.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Third one,
Had to.
Had to.
Has to.
am I right? Have I written correctly? The third number have to.
Had to.
This one.
Had
Had.
to, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fourth one,
Didn't
He
have
didn't
to.
have to.
fifth one,
Have to.
Have to. Have to.
and is there any sixth number also?
Have.
Yes, sir.
Have.
That is the only remaining thing. So it was quite
Yes,
easy.
sir.
You did not have to do anything special for that.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is to be done in question number 5? In question number 5, you have to listen to the recording 3.3 again and practice with it. Like you don't have to go to university. You don't have to go to university. So I hope you must have practiced after listening to the recording 3.3.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
I don't have to do anything in that. It's completely your duty, your job to do it. So, what is to be done here in this paragraph or in this passage in this story? For every blank, there is some verb given. Okay, you
Yes,
have
sir.
to fill in the blank with have to or don't have to or uh, had to or didn't have to, like that. So, are you ready to do this? First
Yes,
is
sir.
done for you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
You
sir.
don't have to go to university, but you probably learn more facts than a university student. At least that is what people say. A London taxi driver, what should
Has
be?
Have
to.
to.
Has
Have
to.
to.
Don't.
Has to, na?
Has.
Has to.
Has to.
No, 25,000 streets and all the important places in the city. This is called the knowledge. To get the knowledge, a taxi driver has to pass written and oral test, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have to pass these before you can get a license. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the oral tests, you have to tell the examiner all the streets you drive down to get from one place to another, and you can't use a map. Okay? I had I had to
Actually,
do 12 oral tests before I got my license. Others do a lot more. Is it clear up to here?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Moving to the next paragraph. After I got my license, I
I
had
had
to
Have
I
borrow
had to.
60,000 pounds from the bank to buy my taxi. Then I had to work day and night to pay the money back. I'm really pleased I don't have to do that now. I don't have to do that now, right? My son
Yes,
got
sir.
his license last year, then he got a job in a taxi company. So he did not have to buy his own taxi. Okay? He has to work when the company tells him to, but at least he doesn't have to pay lots of money back to the bank. Who got 100% a score in this section? Who got 100% a score? Tell me. Did anybody get 100% marks in this section? I think everybody has made a little mistake. Some
Yes, sir.
mistakes. Okay. No issue. Make mistakes, but don't repeat mistakes, please.
Yes, sir.
Making mistake.
7 number question.
Yes. What you have to do in the question number 7th? Read about Gary's training again. Answer these questions. So I will ask and you people will have to give the answer to these questions. Okay. What does a London taxi driver have to know?
The London taxi
A
driver has
London taxi driver has to know 25,000 streets and all the important places in the city.
Very good. Second question. And I want all of you to keep your voice loud and clear, holding the mic close to your mouth. Okay. Do taxi drivers have to do oral tests without a map?
yes, taxi
Yes,
driver
taxi driver have to do oral test without a map.
Okay. You can give a short answer to this question also. Yes, they have to. Yes, they have to. Third, how many oral tests did Gary have to do?
12 oral test
Gary had to do 12 oral tests.
Tests. Fourth, does Gary have to work very long hours now?
No, Gary does not have to work very long hour now.
You can also give a short answer to this question. No, Gary doesn't have to. No, Gary doesn't have to. Okay. Moving to the question number 5th. Did his son have to buy his own taxi?
No, his son does not have to buy his own
Does
taxi.
not or did not?
Did not.
Did not.
Yeah, did not. His son did not have to. No, he did not have to. Here he means not he himself, his son. Okay. A pronoun refers to the noun that we have talked immediately before. Moving to the question 7th B. Work in pairs and compare answers. What do you think is the most surprising thing about a taxi driver's training? Okay. So now I want everybody to give this the answer to this question B. Uh, what according to you is the most surprising thing about a taxi driver's training? According to the story.
25,000 and 25,000 road drivers have to know.
Yes. Can you, Prakash sir, your answer is correct, but will you please speak it in a more organized way?
Taxi driver has to know all the 25,000 lane or roads in the Ladakh.
This is the most surprising. Yeah,
This is the most surprising for them.
thing about a taxi driver's training, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will anybody else try?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Manya.
The most surprising thing is that they have to know 25,000 street and all the important places in the city.
They have to know.
The
Yes.
London
Okay.
taxi.
Yeah. See, Manya's sentence was on a little different structure than the sentences from Prakash sir. Right. Now it's time for Tejas to speak. He wants also to answer this question. Tejas.
The London taxi driver has to know 25,000 streets and all the important places in the city.
Good.
Yeah. Oh,
Who else?
Sir, me.
Okay, Rajnandini.
The most surprising thing about a taxi driver's training is that they has to know 25,000 streets and all the important place in the city.
Very good
And
formation of the sentence, my dear, but you made a little blunder mistake. A little blunder. And that was that you used they has to in place of they have to.
so,
Have to.
Yes.
yes,
These small things must be taken care of, right? Very good. By the way, you formed the sentence very well, except for this little mistake of subject verb agreement. Okay. Komal, would you like to try to answer this question? Rajesh sir, will you please try to form your own sentence to answer this question?
Yes, sir. Same as Rajnandani, sir. The most surprising thing about a taxi driver's training have to know 25,000 streets and all the important places in the city.
Yes, yes, it is being recorded. There is a small mistake that the most surprising thing about a taxi driver's training is that he has to know
He
and
has to, yeah,
remember.
they have to.
If you are using taxi drivers, then you should use they have to, and if you
They
are
have
using
to.
a taxi driver, then you should use has to.
Yes,
He
sir.
has to. It depends.
Yes.
It should be in agreement with the noun that you are using. Okay. If you are using
Yes.
a plural noun, then you should use a plural pronoun for that and a plural verb also for that. And if you are using a singular noun, the pronoun should also be in the agreement with the singular noun. That means it should be a singular pronoun, a singular verb for that.
Yes, sir. But in questions, sir, here written is a taxi drivers.
Okay, so answer can be given either with the singular or can be given with the plural. Okay, so when you are talking
Yes.
about taxi drivers, you are talking about taxi drivers in general, right?
In general.
In
yeah.
English
Yes.
language, there are two ways to talk about the things in general. The most popular way of talking about the general things in English language by the native speakers is to use a plural noun when it is countable. And but in India,
Yes.
people generally use a or an along with a singular noun. So
Yes,
it is
sir.
also considered to be correct, though it is not so natural for a native speaker.
Yes, sir.
I hope I made it clear to everybody here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Moving to question number 8. Question number 8. It's a question of grammar section. Okay, and it is being asked how do we make questions with have to in the present simple and past simple. Do you have any idea? Very simple. Should I make a question to
Sir,
explain
present
it?
simple.
Yeah, in present simple.
Yes, sir.
Do you have to walk to the market? Do you have to walk to the market? Or do you have a car? Do you have to walk to the market or do you have a car or bike? Did you
Do
understand?
you have to? Yes, sir.
Did you understand the things that I'm asking you? When you have to
Yes,
make a
sir.
question with have to in the present, you should put do or does before the subject. Right?
Yes, yes.
Does your father does your father have to walk to the work, or does he have a car? Did you understand? Now
Next,
let
please.
me record it in English medium. When we have to make a question with have to in the present tense, we will have to put do or does before the subject. Like, do you have to learn English for promotion? Do you have to learn English for a better career? Do you have to speak English to your boss? Do you have to go to market in this corona time? Does your mother have to cook food daily 3 times? Does your wife also have to work to run the family? Does your father have to work more than 8 hours to earn livelihood? I hope it is quite clear now to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
let me
sir.
Yes,
give
sir.
now let me give some examples in English in the past, and how to make a question with have to in the past by putting did as an auxiliary verb before the subject. We can do it so easily.
Yes, sir.
Did you not have to learn English when you were in the in the school? Did you not have to learn English when you were at school, not in the school, at school?
No, it was
Not
not
compulsory.
compulsory.
Not compulsory.
So,
Yes, it was not compulsory after me. But
But I have.
when I was in school, when I was at school, I had to learn English. It was compulsory
it was also compulsory at my time also.
at your time also. Yes, but it was my English was the fifth paper when I was in matric. Means when I got my matric result, it was the fifth paper. Fifth paper means the subject in which you got the least marks.
But I mugged up all the questions. But
I
I'm
never
so
mugged up. I never mugged up English. I don't have any capacity to memorize the things.
so
I
I
can
got
understand
maximum.
and I can understand and explain, but I can't memorize the things. This is my weakness.
But I did, sir. So I got maximum number in
Many
my
students
subject.
learn by memorizing the things.
Even I can remember
Uh-huh.
I mugged up as application as well as
My God, great!
exam result.
I don't have this capacity. I still don't have this capacity. Means if you ask me to remember 5 sentences, even it will be a big challenge for me to remember and memorize the things. I cannot do it. Not at all. But if it is explained to me, I will never forget it. It's also guaranteed. But I can't memorize. If you want me to memorize anything and repeat it word for word, it is impossible. Not difficult for me, it is impossible for me. But if it is explained, I can just if it is explained to me, I can just explain it back in my own language without repeating the things word for word. So I have this weakness that I don't have a good memory. I wish I
Do
had.
you do you have to face any problem due to this
Never, I
issue?
never faced any problem because of this. Never faced. I did not even ever in my life memorized word meanings also. I never mugged up even word meanings.
Sir, have installed a chip,
No,
memory chip.
what I do, that I make sentences as many as possible. When I learn a new word, when a new word comes to me or comes before me, I start making sentences on the same pattern in which I have learnt it.
That's the way, sir. That's the way.
And most of the times, I
Yeah.
don't look for the Hindi of the word. What I do, I try to catch the sense and the situation in which situation it is used. Like love. Means if you have some positive feelings for somebody, very much positive, then I use this word love. Then I can love chicken also, I can love my mom also. I love chicken, then my love is reflected by cutting it into pieces and cooking it and just eating it. But I can understand the difference that when I love my mom, I can't do the same treatment with my mom.
How can you do it, sir?
Uh,
Every word has a lot of meaning, sir. Every word has
yes,
a
sir.
lot of meaning.
Every word has different meanings in different contexts. Most of the words, not only in English, in Hindi also
Different
it is
context.
so. Kanak, Kanak when spoken in Punjabi
Yes,
it
sir.
means gehu,
Yes, sir.
but Kanak in Hindi it means sona.
Gold,
And that
gold
Punjabi
and
meaning,
Gold.
the
Gold.
Punjabi meaning of Kanak as gehu has been adopted in Hindi as well. Bhand in Punjabi means chulha, and bhand in Hindi means hasya kalakar. A person in the court of the king who used to make the king laugh and happy. That was called jester in English. Court jester, bhand. And bhand in in Punjabi means chulha. And now it has been adopted in Hindi as well, in the sense of chulha. Bhand mein jao means chulhe mein jao. What the heck am I doing here? Sitting in the class, spoken English and explaining the words from Punjabi and Hindi.
you're, ma- you're making fun for the English.
No, I'm not making fun of English. I'm just trying to just extend the class beyond the limitation of English, and I'm trying to explain that words with different meanings according to the changing context are there in every language, be it in Hindi or Punjabi or
Yes,
English.
yes,
This is not restricted to English only. I mean to say that.
yes.
I mean to explain that.
Yeah.
I hope all of you got it, what I meant to say.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
So, did you have to appear at any oral test when you were in the primary school?
Yes. Yes, I have had to.
Okay, you had to, Tejas. And what about you, people? Rajnandani, Manya, Prakash sir, and Rajesh sir?
yes, I had to.
You had
Direct
to.
admission, sir.
No, sir.
I got direct admission, sir.
No, no, not for admission. For the final result of any class, did you have to appear at any oral test?
No, sir.
Did you
Till,
have to
till,
pass any oral test
till,
when you were at school?
No, sir.
no, sir. Till class 8, I did not appear any oral tests.
Okay. Till class 8, Prakash sir did not have to appear i- at any oral test. He did not have to pass any oral test. What about you, Rajesh
Yes.
sir?
Yes. Yes.
I often had to give oral test. Sorry, take oral test, because the headmaster of my school often used to call me to his office and used to ask me a lot of questions from geography, especially.
Yes.
Even in lunch
Okay.
break, if I am playing in the field and he looks at me, then he used to call me, Soni idhar aega. Then I used to go to his office. Yes sir. सीधा खड़ा हो जाओ. This was his first command, like in Savdhan Mudra. And I stood like that. वहां देखो मैप है भारत का. यस सर. बताओ गोवा के दक्षिण में कौन सा राज्य है? ओह. And if I did not answer, then he used to give me slap on my head, sometimes on my back, sometimes on my cheek. And when I
Why he
answered,
taught?
and when I answered correctly, then he said, बहुत अच्छे, शाबाश. ये नहीं है कि टिफिन में खेलते रहो खाली, टिफिन में भी बैठ के पढ़ो थोड़ा देर जाके. I used to think, is he my दुश्मन उस्मन or something?
This treatment is for only you.
Yes, only me. He targeted only me.
Why he do so?
I don't know.
Because
He loved me
he was
more. He loved me more.
yes.
And He was a very great headmaster. He won 2 times President Award as a best headmaster of the school.
I'm so lucky, sir.
Mahavir sir.
He
He's a very famous person at Bihar Sharif.
he's alive or he's dead.
The worst thing is that till today I don't understand geography that much. I did not like geography. Actually, I never got any teacher who could just raise my interest in geography. But I had to study geography. Did you also have to study any subject that you did not like in your school days?
Yes, sir.
Which subject,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
I have
Sanskrit.
to study Sanskrit,
Sanskrit. But I had a lot of
which
interest
I
in
do not
Sanskrit and I used to score very good
But
also in
today,
Sanskrit.
but today, sir, I have a lot of interest in Sanskrit, sir.
Oh, but today I don't have any command over Sanskrit.
I purchased a lot of books, 2 or 3 books in
Uh-huh.
Sanskrit, sir, for reading, for understanding.
I only remember 3 things in Sanskrit. Ami, Ava, Ama.
Yes, sir.
And one translation. Aham gachhami. मैं जाता हूँ.
But Sanskrit has very important in these days, sir.
Mhm.
In so many foreign countries,
Mhm.
they are
Means you
teaching in
mean to
their
say it
schools,
has
sir.
very good employment scope, right?
Not employment school only, sir.
So
There
what?
are a lot of
What else?
new things.
Mhm.
They are researching on it, sir,
Mhm.
for IT's purposes also.
IT
In
purpose.
USA, sir.
So that is going to generate some employment also in coming future, right?
Yes, sir. You may say like that, sir.
Sir,
Every
means my point of view that is that the first purpose of education should be to create some scope for employment.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
First thing should be there. It should be employment oriented. Not
Yes, sir.
only I'm telling
Educate
government job oriented. It should be employment oriented.
employment oriented. Yes, yes, sir.
So what about others? Did you people have to study any subject in your school days where that you did not like to study?
For
I used
history.
to study biology.
Okay. So I
I
would
think
like.
it was
But
civics, sir,
Yes,
but
sir.
for me.
sir,
Civics.
without history,
Physics. Okay. Okay.
nobody can
Should
pass
I
in the
recite a
civics.
share? Should I recite a share verse? VERSE.
Yes,
Verse
sir.
means share.
Please.
हाँ हाँ.
Yes, sir.
हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी सिविक्स है बेवफा. हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी सिविक्स है बेवफा. दिन पढ़ो रात सफा, रात पढ़ो दिन सफा.
It's
I
a
know
good.
this. Manoj.
You know this. Okay, another
Yes,
share from the teachers of my school when I used to study in my model middle school. One teacher used to say, always used to say, for the boys, especially for the boys who were not sincere about their studies, पढ़े लिखे से की काम, अब भैं चराम तो मठो खाम. Have you people heard this? Have you people
Yes,
yes,
ever
sir.
sir.
heard this? Share
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yeah.
sir.
Many
My
times.
uncle was
many
a
times.
professor at
Okay,
the.
new version for girls. New version for girls. पढ़े लिखे से की काम, अब बर्तन में जम तो जूठो खाम. This was also said to the girls, especially the girls who did not study sincerely, by my history teacher Ram Parvesh sir. I still remember his name and his face also, because he was the teacher who used to punish me most, and he was a close friend of my papa.
So that he punished you most, sir.
Yes,
That's why he punished you.
2 or 3
अपने
teachers
लोगों
were
से
there
ज्यादा
very
डर
close
होता है
friends
सर.
to my papa from model middle school. They used to eat pan with my papa every evening, and every Sunday they used to visit my house and do every poll call before my papa for about my performance in the class.
Closed people are more dangerous than others, sir.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Closed people are more dangerous
Yes,
than
but
others.
close people, not closed people. Closed people are more dangerous. Of course, I
And
do agree.
it is
I
only
do
for
agree.
the students, sir.
Yeah, because they
Sorry.
know your ins and outs, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ? Uh,
But sir, in today's sir, in PCS exams and civil services exams, there are
yes.
more than 40% questions are from geography and history.
I know, sir. It is a very important subject. But that time when I was in school, I had no interest in geography, history, and civics because the things that the way these subjects were taught in my
Yeah.
class was not very
Yes. Yes, sir.
interesting.
That is the point, sir. That is the point.
Yes. Today I see many teachers teaching on Vedantu, Byju's, making these subjects so interesting and lively that even if you don't want to study, you will start studying it. And teachers like one from Patna,
Yes, sir. Answer. Yes, sir.
yes,
Khan, sir. Yes.
amazing the way he explains the things. He raises interest and he simplifies the things in it to the extent that everybody can understand. Now moving to question number 9. Are you people ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So some words are given in jumbled form, okay? You have to rearrange these words and make meaningful sentences. Can you people do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the first one has been done for you for your help.
Yes, sir.
You can take help from that, take hint from that. So who's gonna do the
How
second
many
one?
final exam?
Okay.
How many fin- how many final exam did a student have to do?
Okay. Can't we say how many final exams does a student have to do?
Does, sir.
Yes, does is better.
Yes, it does.
How many
How
final
many
exams
final exams does a student have to do?
does a wet student have to do? Better to say.
Yes, sir.
Does a
Wet student.
sorry,
Wet,
sir?
wet, VET. It is written over there, sir. I think the PDF or screen should be visible to you. I have shared it to all of you.
Wait test.
A
Yes,
wet
yes.
student. A student who is learning how to treat the illness of
Yeah, animals.
animals. What about the third one? Can anybody make a sentence with the third
How
one?
much did Malisha have to pay for her course?
Very good. How much did Melissa have to pay for her course? Fourth.
How much do pilots have to pay for their training now?
How much
How much does pilots have to
do
pay for their
pilots? Because the
training?
subject pilots is a plural subject here. That's why you should use do, not does. How much do pilots have to pay for their training now? So you should not use does because the subject is plural. So you should use only do. How much do pilots?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Is it clear?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What about the fifth one?
How
How
many
many written
How
exams
many
does
written
Nigel
exams
had to
did
pass?
Nigel had to pass?
How many written exams does Nigel have to? Did.
pass?
Does not. Did. No, it is about
Yes,
past. It is about past.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Did Nigel had to pass?
Yes. And what about the sixth one?
What did he
What
had
did
to do when he started work?
Okay. Very good. And now moving to ninth B. What you have to do? You'll have to listen to the recording 3.4 to Melissa and Nazel and answer these questions. Okay. So have you listened to this conversation 3.4?
Yes, sir.
Can you answer these questions now?
Yes, sir.
How many
So the
final
question,
exams does a wet student have to do? Tell me.
A student
Student
will have
have
to
exams.
How many?
have
So
Three
five.
a
exams.
student
Your
a
voice.
student will
Give
have
me the
to
number
do
only. Only number only. Only number of the exams. Don't have to speak the full
three
sentence.
exams.
Three
Three
exams.
exams.
Okay. What about the third one? How much did Melissa have to pay for her course?
30,000.
30,000.
30,000 what?
30,000
Rupees,
pounds.
13.
taka, dollar,
30.
pond,
Pound.
13,000 pounds.
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 And fourth, how much do
80,000
pilots
pounds.
have to pay for the training now?
80,000 pounds.
80,000 pounds.
It is too much.
80,000 pounds.
It is too much, isn't it?
Yes, sir. 80,000 pounds.
Yes, sir.
And how many written exams did Nizal have to pass?
12 written exams.
10 exams.
12 written exams or 12 oral exams?
12
12
written,
written exams.
Written exams.
How many?
12.
12.
Sure.
12.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And what did he have to do when he started work? What did he have to do when he has started work? Will anybody
He
answer
had
this?
to do seven. He had to do 72 basic training when he started work.
Yes. Very good. Very nice. I think the things are finished now today. Huh? Work in pairs for
Yes,
page
sir.
number 107 and 115. I think I will just upload it tomorrow in the app, and tomorrow you'll have to perform according to that. And it will be last day tomorrow for this lesson. Right?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It was a very nice performance by all of you today and yesterday also. And I want consistency and regularity in your performance as you have shown for last 2 days.
Yes, sir.
Why do you think so, sir? Why you think so?
Seeing the background means background, sir. Considering the background of about the
All have very
performance.
good background, sir. All have very good
I'm
background.
not talking about family background. I'm talking about the background of their performance in this batch.
Yes, sir. Honesty is the best policy, sir.
Yeah, means let bygones be bygones.
But
Look
we
forward.
are doing very well, sir.
Don't be complacent, sir. Let it continue for at least 30 days. Then I will think that your performance is going to be good.
Okay, sir. You are the teacher, sir. No problem. we are we are doing our level best, sir.
No, I have nothing to do with your level. I want the best according to the level of the course.
Yes, sir.
Only then you will be capable of getting the result that you have come here with an intention to get.
Yes, sir.
You'll have to, what should I say, push your limit, push your level. It's a very common phrase that people say, I'm doing my level best. Why don't you push your level so that your best should also be pushed forward, pushed ahead a little? But I must appreciate that you have started working. You people have started working. I must appreciate for that. This is positive thing. And the next positive
Yes,
thing
sir.
that is supposed to be done is to maintain this regularity of sincerity.
Is it being recorded, sir? Recorded, sir?
Yes, of course. The last sentence was recorded. The last sentence has been recorded. That this is good thing that you have started working. You people have started working sincerely, and should be maintained. It is again being recorded. So I think it's enough.